tell it to my face. Yeah, I need that. I want that.
Just don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me. Just don't talk. Just don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me. I can't get enough of it. All of this jealousy.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Dude, this is clean, man.
Thanks, bro.
Wow. Did you do all this?
Nah, Jose did it.
Jose's a good builder, yeah.
All eyes on me. Sound creation.
Wow.
Demo, right? You want demo? You want demo?
Yeah,
Good
bass demo.
I got you.
I appreciate. So what else? Can I shut the door?
You want AC on?
If you have it, that'd be great, dude. That's pretty sweet. You got AC in a big bass build like this? So what all is in here, equipment-wise?
We put the windows up so we can
Yeah, there you go. I appreciate it.
get the AC going.
Wow. Def bumps. Subs.
All right, here we go. We got 8 SA3 15 depth pumps. I have 2610s, 812s, countless amps, countless.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Yeah,
Hundreds.
I got, 3 Stinger. I got two 270s and one 370. All Mike Stinger and Pioneer head unit.
Okay.
Truck name Big Nasty, as you can see.
Big Nasty.
Big Nasty.
All right. What made you call? I mean, obviously it's nasty and big.
Well, my man right here, Ryan.
Okay.
He one named the truck. He was like Big Nasty.
Big Nasty.
Yeah, Big Nasty.
So what year and model is it?
It's an 04 GMC Yukon.
Yukon. Okay.
Yeah, she been good to me, so I had to
Yes, sir.
give her a better life.
Fourth order, 815s. I've seen Jose post
I got,
picture on this.
For on bass, I got 8. Banda, I got 8. I got 4 8K Banda.
4 of them. What are they wired to?
Wire to 1. Right now,
1.
on.
Okay.
I wish I had
Wow. And this is a port. How big is the port in the tuning? Do you know?
It's tuned to 25 or 27.
Don't worry about it. I was just curious. Yeah. Awesome. Have you metered it?
We metered it before when we at the shop. Before the subs broke in, it was a 61.3.
Nice. Congrats, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
61.3.
That's good, man.
I haven't put it back on the meter since the speakers broke in. But
Yep.
I need to upgrade. I need
That's
more
right.
lithium. I got 240 amp hour JY
Yep.
Lithium.
Wow. Loud and pretty and just insane. You can tell for sure. Did a good job.
Lows, mid lows.
Lows and highs. Let's do 2. Could you do 2? That'd be great, man. I appreciate it. Wow.
So I'm gonna get you with.
Nice towel. Big ass.
Thank you, big ass. Alright, let me do this one.
Yeah, and your highs outside, all the mids and tweeters and all, dude, you can hear across the whole concert. It's loud. Awesome. PRV audio.
Yeah, PRV all the way, baby.
All right. This is a good demo song. That's it.
Yep, that's
Awesome.
it. That's what we
All right.
with some of that big Kurt.
Reciting the back like, but what you talking about? Dropping the
You want to be sealed up? Because I'm going to put this one down. You want that one up?
Windows, is it better both down normally for?
I don't really demo it that much that way. I would do
Demo
both.
the way you like it.
All right.
The way you like it.
I'll give you first one window down,
All
and then I'll come back.
Sounds
on
good.
them.
Excellent, man.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Woo.
This one is a slow version, so.
That'll be perfect.
in the lead, trying to get rich off in this bitch. Dropping my top, or popping my.
I'll wait on it.
Appreciate it. So what was your name?
My name's Trevor Bosky.
Trevor. All right,
Yep.
Jacob.
Thank you, bro.
Awesome.
I see you around a lot.
Yeah,
of
we
shows
do.
and
We do
stuff.
car audio videos on YouTube. People watch, so we'll try to. He's gonna play 26 hertz. Yeah, it's gonna be a windy one.
Back it up. Let me know you're ready. You
I'm
ready?
ready. You're good, man.
Watching the Mac, reciting the back like, but what you talking about? Dropping a switch, hitting the lead, trying to get rich off in this bitch. Dropping my top, or popping my trunk, I'm whipping my Willick, I'm whipping my Chris. These niggas ain't shit. These niggas ain't real. These niggas is frauds. Most these haters been corrupt and crushed your love and all only bars. So I pull a car, slam a door, break a hole down. Brother throw till it's so, pay that hoe. own it. I'm snapping. Y'all niggas ain't talking about tripping on your hoe.
I'll give you one a little higher.
Yeah,
It's the
sure,
same
man.
song, but it's gonna be.
Okay, dude, that is damn really musical.
Thank you.
That sounds good, man. I appreciate it.
Let's get right into it.
All right.
Ever since I was a youngin', up in my grandmama's house, watching the Mac, reciting the bad like, but what you talking about? Dropping a switch, hitting the lick, trying to get rich, off in this bitch, dropping my top, I popping my trunk, I'm whipping my wheel like I'm whipping my grits. These niggas ain't shit, these niggas ain't real, these niggas is frauds. Most these haters been caught and crushed your love and all of me bars. So I pull a card, slam a door, break a hole, God, run a throw till it's so, play that hoe. What's happening? I seen that, I bought that, I own that, I'm snapping. Y'all niggas ain't talking about no. Amen to that. Ain't nobody tripping on your hoe. I give a bet.
Until I get more battery, I want to get the 6 on the knob.
Really? Oh yeah, you don't want to ever clip, dirty power, keep it clean, and it's still musical. Dude, that's awesome, man. Heck yeah, thank you for that. That's a privilege.
Jose did his thing, man.
Yeah, he did a great job. Yeah, that was good. Nice beer trick. Appreciate it. This is,
If I didn't have product in it, it'd go real crazy.
oh yeah. Yeah, man, appreciate that, dude. That was awesome. Woo. Big master.
Go cause she was in the VI. Ain't like I be asking for attention when I be out. So much tent that I can't see. I stress it buses with they feet out. If you ain't sucking the bucket, well, you should keep out. Shoot the kind of beard when they bust it, gotta keep out. She ain't got a friend, you keep looking, I can see right on that key. I drop your T-top. Hey, the Tim and Levi. The bottle server poppin', shoutin', looking at all the we got. Looking at it, we on. Tell them blows, be gone. Fuck what you been talking about. They catch, I put my feet on. Ain't no love for these haters, ain't no love for these bitches. Born in the country, I ain't trippin' on snake. Fishing for some bitches, all of your head will pay. If you think you got a problem with it, tell it to my face. Yeah, I need that. I want that. Y'all niggas ain't talking about nothing that I can't do, that you done that I ain't did. Bitch! I seen this. About that. I own it. I'm snapping. Y'all niggas ain't talking about nothing. Tripping on your hoe. About that. What's happening? I seen this. About that. I own it. I'm snapping. Y'all niggas ain't talking about nothing.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.